Sometimes you want to give someone you trust, like your spouse, a family member, or a close friend, quick access to your Samsung phone without constantly telling them your PIN or password. Thankfully, Samsung makes this really easy by allowing you to save multiple fingerprints on the same device. The whole process only takes a couple of minutes. Go to the Settings app page, scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD or Security and Privacy, depending on your phone's software version. From there, tap Screen Lock and Biometrics, then select Fingerprints. To protect your privacy, Samsung will ask you to enter your current PIN, pattern, or password before you can make any changes. Once you're in the fingerprint menu, tap Add Fingerprint or Continue. Now hand the phone to the person whose fingerprint you want to add. Ask them to place their finger on the fingerprint sensor. Then lift and reposition it slightly each time the phone prompts them. This helps the device capture every part of the fingerprint, making it much more accurate when unlocking the phone later. Keep going until the progress bar reaches 100%. When the scan is complete, tap Done, and that's it. Their fingerprint is now saved on your Samsung phone. The next time they place that finger on the sensor, the phone will unlock just like it does for you. One thing to keep in mind is that anyone whose fingerprint is registered will have full access to your phone, including your apps, messages, photos, and other personal information. So only add fingerprints for people you completely trust. If you ever need to remove someone's access, simply go back to the fingerprint settings and delete their saved fingerprint. Easy, right? Your Samsung phone is now ready with another registered fingerprint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick, easy, and practical smartphone tutorials.